I didn't eat carbs for 6 months, and it was, well, good and bad. Before I talk about how it impacted me, let me address why it happened. You ready for it? Truth is, I always forgot to cook rice when I began living on my own in the midst of COVID. And since I don't buy bread or potatoes, I accidentally began a carb-free diet. Honestly, I didn't feel an energy crash. If anything, I just felt less bloated, which I was not mad about. However, all bodies are built differently and mine still needs some carbs to function. I did eat healthy fats and proteins, but at times would just feel hungry still.
It's actually really good.
Plus, it definitely contributed to my period irregularities. Life is just too short to live without your favorite foods, which is why I can't believe